Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Our project title is Hybrid Movie Recommendation Engine. Abstract. Recommender system can be implemented in any domain from e-commerce to network security in the form of personalized services. They provide benefit to both the consumer and the manufacturer by suggesting item to consumers which can be demanded under the recommendations. Every recommender system comprises of two entities. One is user and other is item. A user can be any customer or consumer of any product or items who get the suggestions. Input to recommendation algorithm can be a database of user and items, and output obviously will be the recommendation. As in our case, input consists of database of customer and database of movies, and output denotes the movie recommendations. Here we are going to use the movie recommendation, and we are going to use the movie dataset and the user rating dataset. In our proposed system, we are going to use a hybrid recommendation algorithm for recommend to the user. Let's see our flow of the process. First step is dataset loading. Here we have three types of dataset, which is movie information, rating information and test dataset. Movie information contains the movie information dataset, and rating information contains the user ID, movie ID and rating for that movie. And test dataset will contain the priority of the movies, like a user priority on a particular genre. And after getting all these dataset, we are loading into our system. After that, we are using hybrid recommendation for the user. Here we use the context, collaborative and context based recommendation algorithms. And after recommended to the user, we have to find out the accuracy of the prediction. For that, we have already know the labels of a test data set, and here you can see collect rating and collect user priority will be used for the recommendation prediction. Let's see the running process. First, we have to click on home.java, right click on it and click run file. You will get the index page. You have to click on this title, and first one is loading movie dataset. After loading, you have to view the dataset. Here you can see a movie dataset contain the movie ID, title and the genre. And second thing is load user dataset. And view user dataset. Here you can see the user ID, movie ID, rating and timestamp of the rating. And here you can see we have 671 user IDs and some movie IDs. And click on next. Here load the test dataset and view on the test dataset. Here you can see the test dataset which contain the user ID and name, date of birth, email ID and priority 1, 2 and 3, and MB, that is movie year, and the next one is visiting. And here you can see they have given the priority 1, 2 and 3 as a genre. Next is hybrid recommendation. In this recommendation, here you can see in the backend it will count all the movie rating and user count. Here you can see the movie rating count and movie user count. Movie rating count will contain the movie ID and what are all the rating and how many rating it was got from the user, and movie user count will contain how many users have rated to the particular movie. Now we can see that output will be like this. You can see movie rating. This is the movie ID and how much rating it has, and this is the movie ID and how many user has rated to this movie ID. And next process is like clustering. We can view the particular user priority wise. For user 3, priority 1, and based on the priority genre we'll get the movie rating count and the movie user count here. And next thing is hybrid recommendation. Here you can see for the testing data set we have total number of 20 user ID, and based on their priority we will recommend a movie. Here you can see for user ID 1, for priority 1 you are recommending this movie, and for priority 2 recommending this movie. And the next step is we are calculating the accuracy. Here you can see that accuracy, recall, F measure and precision for this particular testing data set using the hybrid algorithm, and chart for the accuracy, precision, recall and F measure. Thank you for watching.